Hey guys, it's Urban Gardener here, and I got something a little bit different in the mail today. A new sponsorship in the garden, and kind of an unusual sponsorship, but we're a happy, fun place in this garden. So let me show you what we got. All right, I got it open here. So you ready for this, guys? That's right. We got a remote control mofer boat. So what do we got here? Syma, and it's like a small PWC. So let me open the box and let's check this little bad boy out. Okay, I went ahead and pulled it out of its box here. As it says, run fast, watertight hatch, and twin propellers. So here we go. Here's that, how it comes out of the box. Okay, so that's the PWC. Got it out of the box. And also in the box here is the instructions for the Q10 2.4 gigahertz, I'm guessing, remote controlled motorboat. Pretty cool. And then a little caution about the batteries here. It's got its little, I guess, safety styrofoam there. We have a little telephone number there that tells us where we need to call if we have any problems, and the website to go to. And I believe this is the battery. Let me open this up and we will see. It's actually the charging apparatus. So there's I don't know what that was exactly for. Let's get this out here. All right. Oh, and they even give you a little, there you go. So that's the charging device. And they even give you a little screwdriver to open the hatch, so that's pretty cool. Let's pull out the actual remote control. Got the steering wheel type with the trigger. And then gave you the screwdriver to open that up. And we'll have to see what type of batteries. Probably AA is my guess. Double or AAA is what they usually take. And then there's the little boat. Double propeller. Got its little rudder on the bottom. Pretty cool little PWC. Can't wait to charge it up and try this little bad boy out, but it looks really cool. So thank you to Syma for sending this out. It is available on Amazon. And thank you to the company that reached out to me as well. And we'll go ahead and put some batteries in this and charge it up, and we'll do another little review video on how the boat runs. But there's the unboxing of our new little sponsorship there, the Syma little PWC remote control boat. With that, guys, like I always say, keep happy, stay stoned, always be a kid and play with toys, and Urban Garden.